acting like a quiet sea, I didn't know what was waiting for me. All the rocks, waves and fish, I never saw a sea like this. Someday it's calm, someday it's not. Today it's cold, tomorrow it's hot. But every day I dance with it, and the story is made like a thread we knit. A story of different bodies and souls, different imaginations and different goals. A story that's told in 100 ways, and all of this in just 6 days.
Okay.
Voice. I feel my lung is starting to improve, the wider feeling and inner vibration is starting to match the voice. My 7 chakras, which I lack to express myself with my voice, are already opening. Juggling with the balls. Oh, they always learn new tricks. I make no challenges. Different types of experience help bring out my pride. Confidence. I have gained more confidence since last day. I have overcome many obstacles and dared everything. I no longer feel ashamed or complex inside, so I know I have all the skills I need to get into the theater.
At the beginning, at the arrival, there were no trees that would give me the needed air to breathe. There were no leaves that would lend me their shade to rest in. And there were no birds that would teach me the tunes of my soul. But I juggled anyway. I juggled 3 of the balls in the air. Juggling is all about rhythm. 1, 2, 3. I wasn't good, but I juggled anyway. They fell on the floor, next to some seeds that I took and juggled instead. Juggling is all about rhythm, but how can you juggle when you cannot hear your inner one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When they fell on the floor, trees started to grow out of them. Trees of breath, trees of rest, and trees of tunes. Now I juggle with my breath under the shade, with birds loving above my head. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.